In today's video, I will show you how to use the Whatnot Randomizer during your live show. This is perfect for giveaways, choosing winners, or picking viewers at random. First, open the app and make sure you are logged in as a seller. Now tap on your profile icon and select Seller Hub. Once you are inside Seller Hub, look at the sidebar and tap on Shows. Here you will see a list of all your shows, both scheduled and live. Find the show you want to use the randomizer in and tap Open Show. After opening the show, tap on More, then select Seller Tool. If you have access to the feature, you will see the randomizer option there. Simply tap it and the viewer names and spin the wheels to pick a winner. Now, if you don't see the randomizer like me, it's likely because the feature is still in beta. Don't worry, there's an easy workaround. Open a browser, go to Wheel of Name website and the name of your viewers, then spin the wheel to select a winner. So if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.